Soon, every company runs an AI agent. Millions of conversations flood in. Who's watching? Nozzle is.
So traditional observability tells you how an agent executed. Nozzle tells you what actually happened. Now let's log in. You can continue as guest to see the logs here. Now fully connected to Nozzle. Now this is our Nozzle local dashboard where you can check out our integration, which is live right now for Nozzle, and you can look at the traces right here. First, let's look at the traces here. You can just choose a service name from a Nozzle dashboard. These are all our services like Nozzle backend, simple chatbot, numbers, and you can just look at the traces and run a query to check whatever trace you want. Here, SIgnoz captures every trace, span, and tool call to Nozzle. Now let's check out live semantic analysis in the live tab. Already built an agent using the Build Studio where users can build their own chatbots and can integrate the scripts into their own websites. Just go to live section, and this is a chatbot which we have built for support. Let's see how Nozzle works. What Nozzle works is a query given here. You can go to Trace Explorer. Now there was an agent Nimbus support where a model was called and then 3 backend calls happened. We can see the SIgnoz support and the turns, and in the overview section we can check out the traces. This is the last conversation which we had, and users can see all the conversations. Nozzle was built to enable chatbots and their chat logs to have semantic relationship and analysis so that users can convert these logs into customer analysis points. Let's check out. You can see the intents of what customer suggests. You can see the failures of where the chatbot failed. Users can check customer insights, experiments, that is that they can create new agents and can use both agents together. Nozzle uses SIgnoz as its observability foundation, reading traces to understand AI conversations and writing index traces, logs, and metrics, which you can trace back to SIgnoz and check all the functions that have happened on Nozzle. Nozzle is for the users, the corporates, and every company on earth which has chatbots or voice calling a function so that they can analyze the logs inside them. They can analyze the conversation of the chatbots and can work on the intents, the failures which happen in the chatbot and work on them. This is Nozzle, where users can create their own agents, can create their own tool calls, and can connect everything to SIgnoz to check their traces. Nozzle is built for users who want their AI chatbots and voice calls to be smart and their logs to be verifiable. Thank you.